Oh, you're just sending off some mail here?
Yep.
You guys, check this out. Look at this kauri tree slab. Holy Santa Claus shite. Look at how large the kauri trees can get. These are all of the largest recorded kauri trees, and this is a slab that was taken from right here of this kauri tree. Honestly, you guys, if you ever do come to New Zealand and you have a chance to come to the Kauri Museum, I think that's how you say it, I don't know, but I cannot fathom how big trees can get and how much knowledge they have. She really likes this rock thing. She's been there for a bit. We'll leave her. It's one of the coolest museums. One of the really, really cool things about the kauri tree is you will see that even with how big it is, the way that they grow, they are grown with 0 knots in them at all. Insane. Absolutely insane. I shouldn't say none. Look at those tiny knots.
Huh?
Huh? William Roy McGregor, thanks for your efforts. Here's another upside to the Kauri Museum. You can walk around barefoot. As a matter of fact, I can do basically anything barefoot in this country. I bet you I could go to the dentist barefoot. Hello, Mr. Dentist. The timber buyer. Carved Kauri stag heads. Walking sticks. Carved by retired bushman Jack Evans. Okay, to all my logger friends out there, this is pretty freaking cool learning how all of the types of machinery that they've used in the past and all of the ways that they have, holy Santa Claus shit. Like, this is insane. The Kauri Museum is absolutely crazy. I am shook. I am shooketh. Yeah, wow. Wood is so cool. Wow. Wood is so cool. Trees are so cool. Sorry, I'm just sitting inside of a tree right now. I'm like, things are so crazy to me. Especially because, I can't get there fast enough. I'll do this one first.
There is very little known archive film of sawmills working kauri. It's not certain where this mill was, but it seems typical of the many medium to large mills that operated out in the bush. Sawmills were noisy and dangerous places. Here is a brief selection of scenes from historical mills around the country, mostly handling pines.
Trevor's shanty. Thank you, Trevor. Much appreciated.
Deep in the heart of an ancient forest that's gone, the Kauri Museum celebrates one of the world's greatest trees and honors our relationship with it. A really cool thing about this museum is that because it is so big and filled with not only tons of things to look at, but also so much information to read, your general admission ticket is good for 2 consecutive days. I wish I would have had more time there, so for sure try to plan for 2 days if you have the chance. An adult general admission ticket costed about $25 New Zealand.
Today we are making some poutine. I'm gonna boil some potatoes and then fry them. And then we're gonna, Darren always brings gravy, and I have cheese, and Emma's gonna make some pasta for herself, and I'll probably make grilled cheeses again, and you already know what's up. Food. Bro, I'm literally over here stirring my hash browns with this spatula. Emma says, "Yo, did you wash that?" I'm like, "No, why?" She's like, "Bro, I killed a bunch of flies with that yesterday." There's a fucking fly still stuck on it. There's flies all over here. I didn't know she did freaking.
Hey, I solved their fly problem yesterday. That's all I can say.
So now I just have some extra protein in my freaking hash browns.
Yo, bacteria doesn't exist in your gut anyway, so.
Iron gut, baby. Give me that fly.
Ooh.
Just kidding. I didn't actually want it. New Zealand flies might have different bacteria.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I'm gonna have to turn off my phone soon, but they say it's warm in New Zealand. They're freaking lying.
We're on a fucking mountain, brother. I think we're walking out the path. I can't see.
Oh shit. We're going on a kiwi hunt, guys, but we need our red lights up in here. So we're covering our lights with Canadian girls know how to party. Canadian kiwis. That doesn't even make sense. Okay, we're going on a night hunt to look for kiwis and saving our... There's potassium cyanide, toxic to people and animals.
Oh, it just says do not touch, poison bait.
Oh.
Watch children at all times.
Clean your gear, stay on track, save our cure. No dogs, because the dogs can kill the...
Eat the rats and dogs.
Yeah, but also, why do they have potassium cyanide?
Because it's fucking Australia.
Danger poison. It's not Australia. We're in...
I keep calling it Australia.
Squirt, squirt. Squirt, squirt. Brush, inspect, disinfect, stay on track.
Did you disinfect it?
I did. I squirted. Okay. I'm going to have to let y'all go. Unfortunately, I'm not going to be able to videotape a kiwi bird because they only see red lights. So I got to go before I scare them all away. This don't look like one of those St. Ives snails that I normally stick on my face. That's a big ass snail. How did he know to be right here by the sign? Wonder how many more there is around here. It's so cool. Like, you guys, look at how big that thing is. Look at how big that snail is. Crazy. Let's not have you get crushed, though. Let's save you from people. He's got a killer bonus. He's tagged. That is a kiwi bird, you guys. We finally found one. While hunting. Wait. This is the reason I came to the video so I can hold the phone. Because I have long arms, I'm going to try to. Oh, wait, it's moving. I can see its eyes. I wish I could focus it, but when I tap on it, maybe move your light. Ouch. I'm sorry,